You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English. The name of a process, and also technical, meaning sword-shaped. The shape of a sword. Yes, you were wondering, it is the shape of a Xiph, alright? It's pronounced Xiphoid. Yes, Xiphoid. Xiph, I guess, is from Greek for a sword. Xiphoid is how you pronounce it, the English pronunciation. Remember, listen carefully. Xiphoid. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.